Good morning, guys. Natalie Martinez again. Today we are going to be making unicorn pencil holders. So we are going to be using a soup can. And please, parents, be sure to sandpaper the inside of your cans just really lightly with some low grit sandpaper. That way the edges aren't sharp or anything like that. And start decorating, start being creative. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. So step one, explain what you guys had to do. We had to do it a little over, you guys. So explain, Victoria.
So step one, you're going to take a white piece of paper and you're going to wrap it around your can.
Awesome. And you may need help, right?
Yes.
Because it was a little difficult, guys. So we apologize. So, all right. So step two is going to be what?
Step two is you're going to grab your local point. You're just going to put a little bit of glue or tape or glue dots, whatever
Right.
you're going to use. Just a little light of it, and then you're going to curl about here.
Yep. I would say what? A quarter down the can. Oops. Let me see yours, Victoria. There we go. Perfect. Let's see. You may have to need, you may use more glue. We really didn't have any gold paper, so I had to cut up an old Christmas box. So again, use what you have here at there at the house. You got it, Victoria? Yeah? Okay. Okay, that's fine.
There we go.
Perfect.
Kind of stick 'em.
Yeah? Okay. And then we are going to move on to step three. So just give us a second. Guys, so we're going to go over step three. Yes. So you guys are going to glue on the pre-cut flowers. Go ahead, Victoria. You're going to put a little dab of glue and enough to be able to glue them on so they stick. Go ahead, Jax, I'm sorry.
You guys can use whatever colors. We're just using the colors that we wanted. But you guys can use your guys' favorite colors or any colors you guys want.
Awesome. Okay. So you guys are going to go ahead and get that started, right? Thank you. Guys, so step four is going to be what?
Okay, step 4 is you're just going to draw on your ears and your face.
Okay, so we...
Have it pre-drawn.
They're actually using a pencil first just so they can go ahead and figure out where they want to go ahead and put their ears. And I pre-drew them on a piece of paper just so they can follow what it would look like. And then they will go over this with a black Sharpie. So thanks, guys. Let's see.
Use any kind of marker. Because if you want it to look like that, you can use a black marker.
Or you can be creative, use pink, use gold, any color you want. Good job, Victoria. I like saying Victoria. That means we call her Tori, but her name is Victoria, which is very strong. Let's see, Jax. Ooh, pretty eyes. Love it. Good job. Okay, guys, there you have it. They made their unicorn pencil holders. Victoria, let's see. Awesome. Jax, there you go, guys. Awesome, great job. How'd you guys like that? This one?
Good.
You guys liked it? Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.